This is a VR headset, and today I'm gonna be dirt biking in third person. Okay, Max, get a little bit closer. I can only see myself right now, so I have no idea what's going on. Oh, this is so weird. So odd. Let's go to the field and do a bit of drifting. Remember, bro, you gotta tell me if I'm gonna run into something. Sketchy thing I've ever done. This is so dodgy because like it's so disorientating just seeing yourself in third person, not being able to see normally. This is so strange. Maybe this is what dirt biking in the metaverse will be like. Let's take to the concrete so I can clean my tires. This is narrow, so you're gonna have to tell me if I crash into anything. Ow! What was that? Oh no, I've just realised there's a forklift. If I crash into that, I am absolutely screwed. It's gonna slice my neck open or something. Watch out. Max, is it safer to go left or right?
Left. Immediately right after.
Yeah?
Immediately right, so you don't go to the
It's right there.
Yeah.
I can see we're still pointing at it. Are you still screen recording? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, was I about to crash? What, into this? Bruh. I think it's safer if we just go a little bit slower. You guys can't figure out how this works. My brother's got a phone that's FaceTiming to this phone in my headset, which allows me to see what's behind me and kind of quickly. This reminds me a lot of Fortnite, Roblox, and Minecraft. You know how those games are great in third person? I mean, I guess you could say Minecraft's more of a first person game, but sometimes you need that third person to get the touch, you know? Hedge on my right that's going to crash into me.
No.
Okay. I can hear a forklift. I'm going to full send. Was I about to crash into anything?
No, you went straight down the
Alright, now we're going to be seeing if we can head back to the house. And I've just realised that the exit was there and I've just gone too far, so let's turn around. I'm feeling so nauseous. I cannot see anything. Are you gonna help me, bro?
A bit left.
Left?
Yep, keep going like that. And a tiny bit right.
Oh wait, does it say it's losing connection? It says it on mine, it says the video's lost connection. Okay, you're gonna have to guide me, tell me exactly what to do.
Okay, forwards.
Are we on a long path?
Yep. Right.
Oh my god, this is so good. What now? Anyway guys, I am pretty nauseous and that is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed and comment down below what you thought and what we should do next. And then check out these two videos here. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.